In this video, I'll walk you through the process of fixing the L and R buttons on your Nintendo Switch, step by step. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more practical tips and tricks. Fixing the L and R buttons on a Nintendo Switch is crucial for ensuring smooth gameplay and full functionality, as many games rely on these buttons for core controls. Unresponsive or damaged buttons can disrupt the gaming experience and limit playability. To test and calibrate your Nintendo Switch controller, begin by accessing the console's interface. Open the controller surface interface and navigate to the bottom menu panel. Here, locate and click on the Controllers option. This will take you to the Controllers page, where you'll see a side panel on the right-hand side. From this side panel, click on Find Controllers. When the Find Controllers page opens, you should see both parts of your controller displayed. The controller typically has two sections, one blue and one red. If both sections appear on the screen, it confirms that your controller is being recognized by the system and is functioning properly. After verifying this, you can close the controller panel. Next, proceed to the System Settings. From the main menu, find the option for System Settings on the left-hand side panel. Once inside the System Settings menu, scroll down until you reach the Controllers and Sensors section. Open this section and scroll further down to find the Test Input Devices option. Select this option to begin testing the buttons on your controller. In the Test Input Devices page, press the L and R buttons one at a time to see if they respond correctly. Each press should be reflected on the screen, displaying L or R accordingly. If the buttons respond as expected, they are working correctly. However, if pressing a button doesn't show the corresponding input on the screen, further calibration may be necessary. To address this, return to the Controllers and Sensors section and select Calibrate Control Sticks. Follow the prompts to recalibrate the L and R buttons. After completing the calibration, return to the Test Input Devices page to ensure the issue is resolved. If the buttons now work properly, your controller setup is complete. This process ensures optimal functionality and helps address any performance issues. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.